Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the Tidy 20 challenge that was created by Paige Danielle here on YouTube, and I'm actually collabing with her on this video, so she's going to be doing it as well. So be sure you guys go over and check out her video when you're done here. You guys will love her channel. I love every single one of her videos. And here is a little clip from her video as well, but she created the Tidy 20 just to kind of challenge yourself to set aside 20 minutes each morning or each evening to get your house kind of tidied up and make a little list of things that you need to get done, set a timer, and get to work. Because 20 minutes goes by really quickly, but you can also get a lot done in a short amount of time. So I'm starting off in my kitchen today because that's the first thing I put on my list. I'm going to get my dishes done and get this kitchen cleaned up.
Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Just look at the state we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin.
Next up, I'm going to take my Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleanser and pour that in my sink and scrub it out. I like to do this every time I have dishes sitting in my sink because it gets it so clean.
Come from.
And then I'm going to wipe down my kitchen and my laundry room with the Mrs. Meyer's radish scent. Once I'm done wiping down the washer and the dryer and the windowsill, I'm going to go ahead and get a load of laundry switched around. I like to wipe down the washer and dryer every few days just because the lint, like when you pull out the lint trap, it's on the top of my dryer, and so it just gets really dusty and dirty. And this is also the mud room where we come into the house, and our dog sleeps in here, so this room just gets very dirty. So every few days I like to just clean it up. Also, I change up my laundry detergent all the time, but on this particular day, I was using the Mrs. Meyer's in the geranium scent for the laundry detergent and the basil scent for the fabric softener. But now I'm going to go into our pantry, which is this little room off of our kitchen, and we keep the cat food and the cat water up on this windowsill, and so when he jumps up there to eat, if his paws are muddy, it just gets really dirty. So I am wiping that down here. Next on my list is wiping down BERKLEY'S high chair. She had just had breakfast and it was a mess. So I'm using that radish scent Mrs. Meyer's as well. Next up, I'm heading to my bedroom. I'm going to get my bed made, and if you have ever watched any of my cleaning videos, then you know you can expect Jasper to be sleeping on my bed whenever I go to film a cleaning video, and he doesn't move. He will not move. He just says, "Make my bed human. I'm going to stay here and sleep." So once I'm done getting my bed made, I have some clothes over there on my dresser that need to be put away, so I'm going to get that done as well. Also, in pretty much every single cleaning video that I post, I get asked about that knit blanket that's on my bed, and I have a down comforter on my bed, and then that knit blanket is just a king size knit throw, and I got it at Target. I do have it linked down below for you guys if you are looking to find that. And then the throw blanket with the leaves on it, that is from Costco. And then the other one with the gray tassels, that one is from TJ Maxx. But I get asked about those every time, so I thought I would just let you guys know. Now I gotta wake Cash up from his nap. He's up there on the couch sleeping for hours. I'm like, okay, buddy, time for Mama to straighten up the couch. And he stayed right next to me. So sweet. But I'm just gonna straighten up the living room now and wipe down my coffee table and my shelf. Now onto my dining room. I'm just going to wipe down my dining room table and my buffet.
Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
once I'm done straightening up out there, I'm going to head into my bathroom and just do a quick pickup of the things that were on the counter, wipe down the mirrors, wipe down the countertops, and that is going to be it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully it inspired you to set 20 minutes on your clock and just get some things done super quickly in the morning or in the evening. But be sure to go and check out Paige's video when you're done here, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you came over from Paige's channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!